installing the bumper buttons, there will be one bolt here, 2 screws out here, undo 2 screws under the bolt. It's going to feel wrong, but you're going to really yank on it. Try to get in from under here. Do not scratch your fucking paint. But yeah, pop it off. Then once it's off, you gotta thread these in. It's just that nut, washer, nut. You're gonna thread it in by about that much on the back and that much on the front. Now, you should be able to push it in. Yes, I'll clean the bumper once I'm done. Push it in, up and in. You'll get perfect alignment. Can't really do it on the front. Found both my hands, but yeah. Then the next thing you're gonna do, you gotta be careful of this. You're gonna get a lighter. You're just gonna heat up the ball of it. Then you're gonna get this. You're gonna press it right up. Check the alignment, and then press it in and hold it for like a minute to let it fully create a ball on the inside. And then I'll mark it so you can, and you gotta repeat on this side, but when you do it on this side, you'll line those up and the ball point. So you'll push it in, it will find the point, and then you'll go poof to get that one. Alright, did the first one. Don't worry about this. Literally just wipes off. But as you can see, I've done the first one. And now there's that little divot. Now you're gonna line for the second one, as I said, line up that divot, line that up there, that up there. And then once you're finally lined up, you're gonna go up here, up, push in hard. Yeah. Alright, second one is now complete. Now what you're gonna do here is you're gonna test it. So you put it in like that. You're gonna find the first hole, check it fits. Find the second hole, check it fits. And then it should line up like that. And then once you'll confirm that it is properly lined up, with fingers over both of the buttons, then you will first of all clean your hands because they're fucking disgusting. Then you're gonna carefully take the bumper off. You're gonna drill the holes for all 4 sides. Drill the holes only after you're done this side and the other side. Alright, now for cleaning it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your drill bit. And you're gonna drill it until you just start poking out with the center bit. And you're gonna come to this side. You're just gonna go as fast as you can and just barely start etching away at it. So you get a nice clean hole like that. And finally, here we are. Alright. You still need to get your hand in behind here. Hold the bracket. Perfection. Wonderful. Already drilled the holes for him, and I figured it out. They do not hold for shit. And I was panicking because now I have 4 big ass fucking holes in my bumper for these things. I was panicking, bro. Holy. And then of course I tried to get the springs and stuff, stiffen it up, because you think about it, if it's loose, like it just pops off, you would stiffen it up a bit. Anyways, so I tried that, didn't work. I was panicking, thinking they were broken. So I went to take it apart and I did 1 turn, 2 turn, 3-ish turn, whatever, something like that. And I tried it. Don't mind that you're on a piece of toilet paper right now. I put it together.